Hey YouTube, what's up YouTube? It is your favorite lady sneakerhead from the D313 Retro Queen, coming to you from my little sneaker area with my little boo here who turned 9 today. Yes, we did 2 vids one day, okay? This is my son Donovan, and he wants to, we're gonna do an unboxing together because he got a gift over here. His mama, you know, be getting them right.
Do you forget?
I get you right. Oh, and you know what, my people, I'm sorry, my bad. Go ahead, Donnie. Shout out your channel. Shout out your channel. What's your channel?
DJSHADOWFREAK.
DJSHADOWFREAK on YouTube. That's my baby, okay? So he be gaming and stuff and getting his Beyblades on. So Fortnite, you know, stuff like that. It's his game and Dragon Ball, and all kind of stuff like that. But we have his shoe. There's a, can I have this though? Because you're going to have to get up off it though. And this is one of his gifts. So we're going to do an unboxing on this because it's March. Again, it's March. So we're going to have to get some content out here because, you know, Nike ain't doing it like they was just a few months ago. But this is the PG 2.5 PlayStation, size 3.5. I got this for my baby back in December, and he didn't know. I had it for 3 months, and he didn't even know. Woo. Yeah. So, we're going to get into this. You want to hold your shoe? You want to hold this one for me, baby? All right, there you go. There you go. He got one. Let me hold that up for the camera so you can see. We're going to throw the box down there. That's it right there. That's it. Show it in the front. We got that. That's it. That's nice. What's this shoe? What did you tell me? What you using now?
What I'm using? PS4.
You're using the PS4. So this is just the regular PlayStation one, the gray one, the original PlayStation. Gray colorway. You know, it's got the little PlayStation, original PlayStation, the little logo on there. You know, it's got the little, if you can see in there, it's got the little power button on there. This one on this say, yep, this one say Paul. Over here, this one say George. And you hit that tongue with the what? Light up, and you do it on the other one.
And it lights up inside.
Yep, you can see a little bit on this one, but for real, the light up is real on that power button right there.
It's like your pattern, like.
Yeah. So what about the inside of the shoe? What you think about that inside though?
That inside is Galaxy.
It's Galaxy. It look like that Galaxy in there.
Oh yeah. It's different because this one say
PlayStation,
and this one has Paul George. And this one,
and that one has Paul George in there. So you know the insoles is different. We got that different.
It's like a
so you like your birthday gift? Yeah. You think these dope? These fire? Oh, okay.
I'm going to school with these on.
You going to school with these on? You gonna be flexing on them kids? You always flexing on them. You know they kind of dope. Look at that. They got that clear sole on them because he gonna jack these up. Okay, he gonna wear these to school tomorrow, and they gonna look like he been wearing them since December. Okay, I don't know. He ain't got the whole clean thing going down with me yet. This is my boy though. This is one half of my heart. I don't think I'm ever going to get the other one to do an unboxing with me until, you know, he get out of that whole I am teenager, don't want to be seen with my mama face. But, like I said, I'm going to turn these off, I guess. Oh, okay. Oh, it's slow to the turn off. What? Doing a little stutter step in there with the turn off.
So, it's like PS4 when it turns off slowly.
Oh, okay. That's what that is because mama don't game. So, okay.
So, like, it turns off. So, when, like, you turn off a PS4, so, like, when you turn on the PS4 and then you turn it off, it's going to flash. Oh, okay. All right, I got you. So, I know these came out in grade school and men, so I don't know if y'all cop these, what y'all think about them, what y'all think about my little cute little co-host here for the day. Yeah, that's about it. We done with this? We done with this? And we out.